Okay, welcome back to this session. I'm demonstrating building of the figure 2 or part 2 in the first assessment task. So what we need is first to create a sketch, and I'm building my sketch on the front plane. So I've already stored the image of the um, part in the clipboard. So let me paste that here for convenience. And now my strategy for building this shape has a plane of symmetry. So all I need are just few reference points and then constructing half of the shape mirroring that one. So that's what we do. So let's just start with putting 3 points arbitrarily in different positions. These points are going to represent that center, this center, and that center. All I need to do now is to add dimensions to that. Notice that the first top parts are aligned vertical. So let me select these 2 points together by holding shift and selecting them. And now add a relationship vertical. Now these 2 points become aligned. And then I can move these points to the left side of the first point. But this is a very hand-free operation. But now I notice that the distance between the lower point and the upper point is the radius of that one, which is 5. So vertical dimension, small dimension in between this and that, just a vertical dimension, that has to be 5. But then the horizontal distance between this point and this one, this is 6. So 6. And now, what about the distance between um, this center and that center? That is 12 plus 6. So vertical distance between these 2 points. I add a smart dimension between this one and that one and make that 12 plus 6. And you can do this by typing 12 plus 6 instead of directly writing 18. So that does the calculation for you. And then now my reference points are right in the correct position. I add a circle to this one with that radius, which is 12, 12. And to freeze the diameter, let's add a small dimension to that, make it 24. That prevents it from changing. And then make the second circle with a radius of 6, radius of 6, and add a small dimension to that. This is not needed because we already fixed the point. And lastly, we make this circle with a radius of 5, and that 5, add a small dimension to that. Okay, now almost half of the shape is completed. So let me just make a line starting from the quarter of this circle and make this one as a reference bottom line. And I do that in a free hand to begin with, but later half of this line is 20 mil in size, so making that 20. All right, now all we need is a line of symmetry. So line of symmetry has to be a center line. It's not a normal line. I construct it from here to there. And now I need to mirror this before adding the roof. That roof is sitting on the left circle, right circle. I postpone that to the later stages. So now by enabling the mirror tool, you have to select the entities to mirror. So these are the entities which I want to mirror. Okay. And then mirror about. I'm selecting that line and this one does the mirror. All right. Now we are ready to add the roof. The roof is a arc with a radius of 90, radius of 90, and just freezing that radius being done. Now approve. I'm just moving that circle near the exact position. And all we have to do is just select this one, hold the shift, select the larger circle, and add a relationship, make them tangent. Okay, so these are being tangent. Now doing the same thing, selecting the circle and that one, adding a relationship tangent, approve. The remaining is just cleaning. We do the trim tool by going to the trim and trim, 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 trim. Oops, I think I cut it too much. That has to be trim this one and trim this one. Now, this shape is being complete. All you have to do is just have this one pre-selected or approve. Finish that sketch. This sketch is finished. Now pre-selected, go to the feature and have this one extruded by 5 mm. Now the part is being made. I can save this one, say as figure 2. This is native file. So you submit all your native files together with the PDF. So the native is saved. Now from the file menu, I go to the make drawing from the part. And here I select an A4 size table block, comes here, and I drag the front view, place it here, and just adding some center line to make dimensioning easier. Okay, now adding dimension is quite simple. So dimension between this one and that one, 40. Adding radius to this one, radius to this one, radius to this one, and radius to that one. And to say that this shape is symmetric, all I need to add a line, go to the drawing and go to the sketch, add a center line from the center of this arc and make that one vertical. So this one indicates that my shape is symmetric. I don't need to add dimension to the other side. So hopefully this recording helped you to complete your task, and